Hello everyone. Today we will be covering how to use the Move tool in FormIt. To use this tool, we will place a cube from the Create Primitives icon, so select the cube and hover into the canvas and click to place. Without pressing Escape, you will still have the cube selected, and the default at this point is the Move tool. Notice when I hover over any part of the cube, the snaps are highlighting with the Move symbol next to the cursor. At this point, wherever I click will be where I begin the move operation. I will click once on the move point, and I can move my mouse to carry the cube along the green, red, blue axis, remembering that I can lock to them by holding down the Shift key. After you have clicked to place the object, you can select the dimension to adjust the distance that you chose. You can also begin typing a number to activate the Tool Options dialog and edit the dimension there. Now let's place another cube, and as you can see, we have the option to snap to the first cube. If I wanted these cubes to relate corner to corner, I could click to place the cube on the ground plane and then grab the corner as my move point so that I can snap it to the other endpoint corner of the original cube. If I want to move multiple objects at the same time, I can double-click the new cube and then hold down the Shift key to double-click and select the original cube, or do a window select of both. Now click to select my move point and see how both objects are moving at once. You can also activate the Move tool by selecting what I want to move, right-clicking into the context menu and selecting the Move tool, or with the keyboard shortcut of M. For example, if I select a face only, I'll be placed in the drag face mode, but if I want to move that face instead, I can switch to a move via the context menu or the shortcut M. Note that when selecting a single object that's not a face or a mix of objects, you'll be placed into the Move tool automatically. And that's it for FormIt Move tools. Be sure to check out more videos on the FormIt YouTube channel.